everyone and welcome to Looping Mabel's Closet, and today's vlog is all about the return of the sewing challenge Swap Share Sew that me and Rosie created last year, and we've had quite a lot of requests to do it all again this year, so why not? So this vlog is all about the 2020 Swap Share Sew sewing challenge. So hi and welcome back. So excited to get this challenge underway again this year. Me and Rosie from Rosy Sews Modern Vintage. We made friends through Instagram actually. We both have YouTube channels and we just got together, got chatting on Instagram, and we've become really good sewing friends. And from that sewing friendship last year, we thought, shall we create a little challenge and see if we can create more sewing friends. So a little bit of background into the challenge. It's all about creating a sewing friendship no matter where you are in the world, paired up with another like-minded dressmaker, sewer, and then you just communicate with each other and hopefully create a lovely sewing friendship like myself and Rosie did. So if you'd like to take part in the challenge, you obviously put your name down, and myself and Rosie will pair you up with another like-minded sewist, and from there you then communicate with each other and then maybe give each other a few ideas of a couple of the items that you might want to make for the challenge, and which gives them an idea of a few things to send you in the little parcel of sewing goodies. And then obviously you send your parcel to each other, and from that little parcel you can then include some of the items in your garment that you're going to make for the challenge. And it's as simple as that really, and the main thing is just to create a new sewing friendship. I've made lots of new friends since last year all over the world, and I've even met one in real life earlier this year, so it's so lovely. And obviously it's just a bit of fun and to make new friendships, that's the main thing. So no pressure, no stress. So I've just sent my parcel to Rosie and she's just sent me her parcel to me, and I've just received it this morning. I'll show you what I got just to give you an idea of what the challenge is all about. And obviously there's no pressure, we don't want you spending an absolute fortune, and we have put a minimum spend of say about £10, but you really don't need to spend as much as that at all. The main probably cost involved will just be the postage, and hopefully if you can shop from your stash and send some little items that your partner will be able to use and maybe incorporate into the sewing project, well, that would be absolutely amazing. And obviously at the end of the challenge you just upload what you've made, and if you've managed to incorporate any of that little sewing parcel into it as well, and then there'll be a few prizes too. So I'll show you my little parcel that Rosie sent me, which I've just received this morning, and I'll show you what I'm planning on making. So fresh from the postman, she has sent me, this is just to give you an idea of what you can send your sewing partner. She sent me a little notelet with the things that she sent me, and she has made me a little tote bag for next time I go fabric shopping and things like that. So Rosie sent me a delicious little bundle of haberdashery items. So she sent me some gorgeous like dusky rose cotton crochet lace trim, some cream rickrack, and some lovely orange rickrack. And then she sent me a little card of Liberty buttons, and then she's made me a cute little finger pin cushion. How cute is that? And also a little handmade label that she's used on her Cricut machine for me to sew into one of my next projects. So that's an idea of what to send. So obviously you can send what you like, and the only stipulation if you're going to join in the challenge is that you have to send either a set of pockets or something handmade. That's the only stipulation if you want to follow the rules for winning a prize. If you don't want to win a prize, then you can just send a lovely little bundle of sewing goodies for your sewing partner to use. Now if you wanted to send the pockets, a set of pockets, then there is a free PDF pattern that I've created for you, which you can download, and then you can cut the pockets out, and then you can send in whatever pretty fabric you want to use to your sewing partner in your parcel. And I'll put the link for this free PDF pattern in the box below. You just download it, print it off, and then you can obviously cut out using your fabric stash and send a lovely set of pockets to your sewing friend if you want. So that's there too. So based on these goodies that Rosie sent me this morning, the sewing goodies, I have, funnily enough, managed to find some fabric that I got from Felicity Fabrics a few weeks ago. And I just think straight away, all these things go really well. So I'm hoping to incorporate some of these into my sewing project using this gorgeous fabrics. And I'm planning, fingers crossed, and I'm going to make a blouse, but not just any old blouse. I'm planning on doing a self-drafted blouse. So I've done myself a little diagram of what I'm hoping to do. I'm hoping to make myself a little Peter Pan collar short sleeve blouse with a back opening, I think. And I just thought that fabric would be gorgeous, but I haven't even drafted it yet. That's just in the drawing stage. So fingers crossed I can take it from paper and create it and draft my own pattern. So that's what I'm planning on doing, and obviously I shall keep you updated here on my vlog and how I get on. But that's a little bit of an intro on how it works. So the best part of it is obviously sending your little parcel. It's so exciting to send a little parcel to a new friend, and then obviously receiving a similar parcel in the post from your new friend, and then thinking, oh, how am I going to use this? Now, if you want to communicate with each other as well and ask each other what they like, because obviously you're getting to know them, so ask them what they like and what styles they like, what colours they like to wear, what type of garments they like to wear. That might give you a little bit of an idea of what you can add in your little parcel for them. Now, the only thing you need to do, obviously, is when you send your parcel, take a photo of your parcel that you send and get proof of postage, just in case it does get lost in the post. But fingers crossed it doesn't. We didn't have any issues with that last year, but it's quite different this year, isn't it? So I'll give you some of the dates. So obviously from the date of this vlog going out, the Swap Share Sew Challenge will be open, and you will have up till the 16th of October to put your names down, so you can contact either myself or Rosie through Instagram, and obviously you have to follow both our accounts to be part of the challenge. And if you'd like to subscribe here on our YouTube channels, well, that will be lovely too. And then we will then, once we've got all the names for everybody who would like to join in, we will then pair up the partnerships. And then you've got up to the 27th of November to complete your sewing projects and post your finished projects over on Instagram using the Swap Share Sew Challenge. So it's all good fun, and I hope you are going to take part. And then on the 30th of November, myself and Rosie will announce the winners. So I hope you're going to take part too. I shall obviously keep you up to date with how I'm getting on with mine. So that's it for today's vlog. The Swap Share Sew Challenge is now live, up and running. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask me here or over on my Instagram account. And obviously I'll put all the details in the box below, all the links for the PDF pattern, the free PDF pattern, and obviously Rosie's channel too. And hopefully when I see you at the end of November, you've all made some great new sewing friends. Until then though, good luck, I hope you take part, and I shall see you on my next sewing vlog. Bye for now.